Alright guys, so I got the keys, got the booster pack, just in case. Probably gonna need it anyways. God damn, it's cold out. Start with the green one. It's a smashed up one. I gotta do some work to it. Handlebars need replaced. Plastic's broken to shit. Still haven't touched the fucking dirt bike at all. Because I really know where to work on shit, so don't nothing really get down with these. Green key. Fucking mess. Can't wait for this snow to be over. Chokes froze. Fuck me. Come on, baby. All right. Well. The cables froze right up. Alright, well, let's go try the other one real quick. Hopefully the choke's not fucking stuck on this one. Of course it's buried in snow too. Shit. If you got toys, start these fuckers every week. Because things are worse than, okay, that choke one opened, so. Alright. One's alive. Gloves, but can't really push buttons and shit with gloves on, so we'll let that one run for a little bit. I don't know why this one, if that choke would pull, it would start. Room in here. See if I can pull on it. You got toys. You got toys, you need to. Oh, wait, there we go. Come on, baby. Alright. Like I said, if you got toys, these things are worse than cars, man. You need to start them a lot. Both the quads are running. Good shit. Now, for this fucking thing. God damn. I don't even know if this bitch get to the key. Clean that key off. So we can get to that throttle. Put her in neutral. She's in neutral. Get the booster pack. Ooh, it's cold. What? Freeze. Hey. Negative. Positive. Turn that bitch on. Hold on a second. I'm freezing. And of course, the ignition is stuck. I don't have a pair of pliers with me. It's bending the key, I think. Alright, well. Oh shit, camera down! Alright, guys. Alright, so I put the booster pack away. We'll go clean this blue one off because I'm gonna need it, so I'm gonna bring it up to the house. Fucking scraper. I can do like that. So hands are freezing. They're both still running. I put the booster pack away. The ignition on the tractor is straight, just stuck, so I'm not even gonna bother with it today. But hold on a second. Had to adjust this. Get it all cleaned off here. Take it up by the house. Check the oil. I'm gonna have to keep starting them. So I wish I could. The barn's just so old, it's gonna fall apart. I can't really store nothing in there or do no work in there. So we'll see. I'm at least get this one up to the house. Try and get all the ice off the seat. A little smack. Summer's when I make most of my videos, and winter I sit in the fucking house and I do shit. So, alright guys. I'm gonna take this up to the house. Probably gonna get my ass wet. But who cares, right? Put that up there. Oh, God. Put her in reverse. Frozen to the ground. All-wheel drive. There we go. All right. We're gonna leave it right here. Green one's still running. We'll let it run for about 5 more minutes. It's cold out there. Glasses are starting to steam up. Trying to get my son to do some PS4 videos. I got a PS3 in the room, but who plays PS3 nowadays? So give me a few minutes to warm up and I'll get back with you. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. It's kind of cold out. I got some other shit to do, so make sure you hit that like button down there. Leave a comment, positive, negative, I don't really care. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, see you in the future.